Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. If you own an Apple product, by now I'm sure you know that Apple accessories can be really expensive. But the thing is, I've seen so many people complaining about all these expensive cables breaking. So that's why I was looking for a cheap alternative, especially when it comes to the lightning cable powered chargers for the iPhone and the iPad. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Ugreen PD fast charging cable and the power adapter that supports fast charging for the latest iPhones. If you guys are new to my channel, smash that subscribe button right now. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see if this is worth your money. Before we talk in detail about the product, first let me go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what comes inside the box. As usual, I picked this up on AliExpress. First let's go ahead and unbox the power adapter. As you guys can see, the box comes sealed, so let me go ahead and break open the seal and get into this box. Getting rid of all the plastic and slowly opening up the box of this power adapter, we can find the Ugreen fast charging capable power adapter inside this. Like Apple's charger for the iPhone 11 Pro, even this only has a USB Type-C end to plug in the cable. Now breaking open the box of the fast charging cable that we have, which again is a USB Type-C to lightning cable, so that you can easily go ahead and plug this into the charger that we have. As you guys can see, the cable also has the MFI certification, so you can easily use this cable without any type of issues. On both ends of the cable it has the Ugreen logo, and to charge your device you just have to go ahead and plug in the USB Type-C end to the power adapter, and then you can connect this to the wall and then plug in the lightning end to any supported Apple device like your iPhone 11 Pro. So just like that, you will have it configured without much issue. If by any chance you prefer a braided cable, Ugreen even sells one of that. So here's another cable that I got from Ugreen, which is a braided cable which is in black color. If you like this, I'll have a link for this also down below in the description so that you guys can go ahead and check it out. You can still use this for fast charging with this adapter, so you can get fast charging on your latest iPhone for a really cheaper price. So this is a good option if you want to have a secondary charger, or if your primary charger has broken and if you don't want to spend a fortune getting another charger from Apple, because you know their prices are quite expensive. The decision is yours whether you want a longer braided cable or whether you want a normal size cable like you get with your iPhone. Let me know what your choice is down below in the comment section. Now talking about this power delivery adapter, it has a maximum output of 3 amps. According to Ugreen, it has universal iOS support. The power delivery adapter has 18-watt fast charging built into it, so you can expect 50% charge on the iPhone 10 in just 30 minutes. Whereas the original iPhone 10 5-watt charger will only charge up to 20% in 30 minutes. Because this cable is MFI certified, for the price that you get in, it's pretty good. For those of you who don't know, MFI means it's made for iPhone, made for iPod and made for iPad. So only MFI certified suppliers can be authorized by Apple to produce external accessories for them. Since this is a MFI certified cable, you won't see any type of warning message or error when you charge this. I can confirm this because I use this on a day-to-day basis as my secondary charger in my bag all the time. So far I've been using this for about a month now and I haven't had any issues with this. You can easily connect it to your USB Type-C Mac without any issues, and the other end to your iPhone to transfer all your data. So the link to pick this one up is down below in the description. Go ahead and pick it up. It's available in multiple colors as well as different lengths, so you can go ahead and pick one up based on your requirements. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now if you're new to my channel. And if you know anyone who regularly keeps breaking their iPhone charger, then you can send this video link to them so that they can go ahead and pick one of these cables up, because this comes pretty cheap. So for the price that you buy one original Apple charger, maybe you can buy 2 or 3 of this. Follow me on social media. I'm at Andro Dollar. The links are given down below in the description. That's where you can see all the behind the scenes and updates from my channel. And stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.